All right, hello, my wonderful students. This is the last part of foldable number 4. We're going to go ahead and unsave that one, create a new document again, and we're going to go on graphs. I accidentally put it on add a calculator earlier in the last one, but I from my experience, has been always easier just putting it on the graph, so it already starts on the graph. And then we're going to go to our piecewise function there, click that one there, and it's going to be also a triple here. Triple functions for our piecewise. So we're going to go down and click OK. Now we're going to go ahead and graph our functions. It's on the first one there, which is x plus 1, close parentheses, squared. We're going to go to our thing here, which is x. Then we got to put less than or equal to, which is in our control equals. Less than or equal to. And negative 1. Negative 1. So I wanted to show you guys something real quick. So I got a little notion the other day and I was like, oh, this could be the absolute value function. So I just put 2 of those. So I would put this x minus whatever and then put that again. And it didn't work. So I wanted to tell you guys about that now, just to let you guys, so just in case you guys are trying that, I was like, hey, why isn't this working? That's not an absolute function. It's used for something a little different. All right, so we're going to go ahead and now put our next one, which is our 4 minus x squared, which is also quadratic. So we have 4 minus x squared. Put a restriction of negative 1 is less than x, but x is less than or equal to 3. Go to the next one over here. Now we have our parentheses x minus 3, close parentheses, squared, with our restriction of x is greater than 3. Go ahead and click enter, and we're going to have a beep, boop, beep, another graph there. Ooh, that one looks kind of cool. So it's quadratic, 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 which is kind of cool. So let's see. Hopefully Mr. Brand did better this time than he did last time. Oh, and yes, he did, of course, because, you know, he is amazing. Yep. So this is here. So if you notice that we have our first function here, our second function here, and our last function there. And you can see the differentiation, but just make sure you're also going to draw this on here, just like this. I do want you to add the restrictions of the domains that are here to each of the functions we've been doing. And I want you to make sure this is closed circle, open circle, closed circle, open circle to show the restrictions of the domain. And this one, you fold it over, it's going to be a quadratic, quadratic, quadratic piecewise function on a calculator.